Opti-Free Replenish Contact Lens Solution Multi-Purpose Disinfecting Solution, 10-Fluoruate. Oz. Product details. Opti-Free Replenish is your multi-purpose contact lens solution with amazing cleaning and disinfecting power plus comfort. Opti-Free Replenish provides enhanced comfort with top-notch cleaning and disinfecting power. Here's what's special about Opti-Free Replenish. Ever wonder why a multi-purpose contact lens solution is better than saline? The fact is, saline solutions were never meant to clean or disinfect your contact lenses. All they really do is rinse your contact lenses. Opti-Free multi-purpose solutions rinse, clean, disinfect, store and recondition your lenses. Our multi-purpose disinfecting solution is more than your average saline solution, so there are a few extra steps to follow to ensure your lenses are truly clean, clear and comfortable. Remember to always wash, rinse and dry your hands before handling contact lenses. Polyquat and Aldox disinfectants get rid of microorganisms that can cause eye infections. Keeps your contact lenses cleaner and clearer by removing debris and particles. Creates a comfortable shield of moisture with the TearGlide reconditioning system. Multi-purpose contact lens solution that cleans, disinfects and rinses contact lenses unlike saline solutions. Free lens case included. Exclusive dual disinfectants Polyquat and Aldox get rid of microorganisms that can cause eye infections. TearGlide reconditioning system works with your tears to create a shield of comfortable moisture.
Removes debris and particles to keep your contact lenses cleaner and clearer. How to use Opti-Free contact lens disinfectant. Thoroughly wet each side of the lens with solution.
Rub the lens for 20 seconds. Rinse each side of the contact lens for 10 seconds with a steady stream of solution. Fill lens case with solution and place lenses in case. Tighten the case and wait overnight or at least 6 hours. That's it. Now go and enjoy your life in lenses. General lens care tips.